Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition here at the farm at South Mountain, picking up my CSA. I haven't been here in a week, and it looks like the guys have really been working hard, transitioning into our summer growing season. So I look forward to seeing what we have in the CSA today and creating some delicious, simple, yummy recipes. It's Melanie Albert here in Phoenix, Arizona. Hello, it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition and author of the cookbook, A New View of Healthy Eating. And every week I create a recipe with the Soil and Seed Garden CSA, Community Supported Agriculture. And this is actually the 51st recipe. So today I'm going to create with these veggies. We have a zucchini, some fresh herbs, including some dill and basil. We have a grapefruit, carrots, beets, daikon radish. And what I decided to do was create a hemp seed cream with the hemp seeds, a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and the grapefruit. And what I'm going to do is make a really simple raw veggie lasagna with these goodies. So it's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I'm going to show you how to make a veggie lasagna with the CSA from the farm at South Mountain. Hemp seed cream is really pretty simple to make. We have some hemp seeds that don't need to be soaked, so you can make this cream at the last minute. Some fresh herbs. Today we have dill, basil, and also some onions. For the citrus, I'm using a grapefruit, a little bit of sea salt, some olive oil, and I'm going to blend those all into the food processor, add a little water if needed, to make it a little bit more creamy, and that's it for the hemp seed cream. Mise en place, that is having everything into place before we start cooking, is really one of the most important aspects of cooking. It's the mindfulness of cooking, having everything ready before we start preparing our dish. So for the hemp seed cream, we have the hemp seeds, we have the grapefruit juiced and zested and ready. Our herbs have been torn and cut. We have the basil, dill, along with some onions. We also have water in case we need that, or a little bit of sea salt, and some olive oil. So very mindful, very present, having everything ready before we start cooking. The beauty of mise en place. For the veggie lasagna, we have our zucchini, carrots, purple daikon, along with a beet. We also have a little bit of sea salt that brings out the moisture in the vegetables, and we have a little bit of olive oil that adds a little bit of flavor. So what I'm going to do is take each of these veggies, cut them into about 2.5-inch pieces, and then they're going to go over here into the mandolin very, very carefully, very, very mindfully. We definitely don't want to cut ourselves with the mandolin. I'm going to put the veggies one by one right in here to the mandolin, put the top on, being very careful that my fingers are not anywhere near the blade. I'm going to hold on to one end of the mandolin and slide the slider down the mandolin, fingers away from the blade. After that, I'll take the veggies out of the mandolin, place them over here onto the parchment paper, and drizzle them with a little bit of sea salt. That's going to bring out the moisture, a little bit of the olive oil for the flavor, and then we'll have our veggies ready for our lasagna. The zucchini lasagna is getting ready to go in the oven. It has the zucchini, daikon radish, carrots from the farm at South Mountain, along with the hemp seed cream, and I added in some tomatoes and peppers. I'm happy to share with you the cooked version of the veggie lasagna. This was also made from the CSA at the farm at South Mountain. It incorporates zucchini, daikon radish, carrots, hemp seed cream, some nice fresh herbs, and for the cooked version, I added tomatoes along with some peppers. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.